Because just like I always said, one brain is good, but if you have two, three, four, five brains to work together, it would be awesome. So next year, okay. So my pageantry. I joined the pageantry just because of my advocacy. I really, really want to raise more awareness about the importance of the education, especially to the underprivileged children, and also helping women. We never knew, like in the Filipino American community in Montana, you won't believe there's one, two people that really needs help. So having an organization that would help the people, it's it's very, very, very good. I mean, it's just um, very helpful to the community. So when I joined the pageantry, uh, I was hoping to get get to know people, networking, um, not only to 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 meet some people, but to learn. I'm in a continuous learning. I think life every day your life should be learning. I want to learn. I want to learn. I want to learn to do how can I be successful? How this organization can be successful? I can't even sleep at night thinking, what should I do to make this organization successful? I want it to be successful because I want to help more people. Um, if I get a grant, I can help more people. Um, we are a group of people that is really a working hard people. Uh, I have a very, very uh, loyal board members, officers that will do everything to 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 do some events, but there's something lacking. There's something lacking. We have this vision and we have this mission, but something is um, pulling us down. We can't really do it because there's something is not right. So I'm truly hoping that next year I was planning to do this multicultural um, events where I want to collaborate with different minorities in the community, especially here in Montana. So I'm trying to reach out. I already reached out some people, but I need to follow up. So I need to um, to do that, and I am going to do it next year. So I think slowly, slowly but sure. I think with determinations and hard works, things can happen. And
True. Yeah.
there's a lot of good people around us. Um, you will never know who you can touch. Um, maybe
Go, go, go.
Congrats, Stella!
Hi everybody, this is a message from Malcolm Conlon here in London. I just wanted to send my very best wishes and of course congratulations to Miss Grand Elite on your awesome win. This is an amazing achievement. I'm sending you my very best wishes. Maraming maraming salamat. I'm filled with pride. Some people call me Pusong Pinoy or Pinoy at heart because I truly love the Philippines very much. And of course, these beauty pageants are really, really important because they're part of Philippine culture, which I really love. Maraming maraming salamat po. And a quick shout out to my dear friend David and Happy Rich TV as well. Mabuhay. Hi, everybody. This is a message.
Oh, he's the guy. He's
Oh
the
my
guy I
God.
had a show with. I helped produce his last season. So we usually
Oh
have
my God.
singers join. So
Oh
maybe
my
in the
God. Thank
future we
you.
can have him. We can have him in our episode. I'll ask him to join us.
Yeah. He's from UK. Oh my
Yeah.
God. Thank you
Ang
so much.
asawa niya is Filipina, and then he always promotes Philippine artists, culture. Mahilig siya sa Philippines. Parang heaven niya tong Philippines.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
He has like 100,000 followers or more than 100,000.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. My
Ayun.
hair is growing.
So you know what? The people that parang yung power of youth, parang sabi na when people are united, there is nothing that they do together that they cannot do. Parang
True.
once there's a people who are united in a cause, you can achieve the impossible with God. Syempre. So I pray talaga for you right now na that God will continue to give you the wisdom, the right people, and the right. I mean, God is already elevating you to a new platform, a new place with giving. Sobrang talino mo nga for someone na hindi pa, like you said, hindi nakatapos. Pero you have a lot of wisdom and intelligence and beauty na wala yung iba, no? So kakaiba talaga yung story mo, no? Estella. Diba, I could have connected to someone else in Miss Earth. Sa dami ng younger queen, no? Pero I was led to connect to you. And I think there's so much in common sa ating ginagawa sa buhay, and I'm really blessed to have you as my friend and my advocacy partner. So guys, as Happy Rich TV is joining Estella's advocacy, I ask you guys, join her advocacy, get to know more of what she wants to do in Montana and also in the Philippines, and get to know her heart more. So we are launching this weekly series of Estella Fullerton's advocacy. We're gonna have some guests from her friends or board members or other people who are connected to this advocacy and the projects that she has ongoing, no? So I believe marami tayong ma-achieve dito sa ating live stream, and we can get more people to join on the conversation and people to even give to your projects or advocacies. So ano
Thank you.
pang, since medyo malapit na tayo matapos sa first hour, or first episode, ano yung mga masasabi mo sa, you can invite them already for what call to action moments mo na. Ayan, ito na si ating binibining Grand International.
I have a Facebook account. It's Stella Fullerton. Actually, I have 3. Kasi Stella Fullerton is medyo, it's formal. It's about Mrs. Grand International. And then I have Yaya Glanma. And then I have the by Aisha Karim, which is my very first Facebook account. You can also check that.
Which one? Which one do you want to focus nila? Yaya Glanma?
Well, I think Stella Fullerton.
Ay, yung
That's-
main page.
Yeah. I have the.
Is that your regular personal page ba?
No.
May iba ka pa? Nice.
Tatlo eh.
I'm looking for it para ma-share ko.
Kasi Yaya Glanma, it's more on, it's public. So, yung by Aisha Karim, it's more, intimate. And then my Stella Fullerton, I need to have my real name for the Mrs. Grand International.
So hindi mo pa nagawa yung third.
Third
Tama?
na yun.
Nagawa mo na?
Oo. So, the Yaya Glanma, mayroon siyang 2.3K followers.
Uh,
Then, by Aiza Karim, it's like about 900, but that's intimate friends. I really know everybody there. And then I have the Filipino American Montana organization, but it's a private non-profit organization. I don't know how you can. I think you can ask for friend membership.
so which is your public page or yung pinapromote mo ngayon?
Stella Fullerton.
The one that I am a friend of? Yun ba
Yes.
yun? Ano ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yun din yung public profile mo. Okay. So, I'll put the link here. Comment ako. Hindi pa tayo nag-comment. No? Ayan. So, that's the link to her profile. So, you can click on it and follow so you can get more updates about our Queen Stella. So, the Queen with a golden heart.
Thank you. I want to thank you so much, for this opportunity. And I also want to thank you. I believe that everything happens for a reason. So
Amen.
the reason why I met you, I'm so grateful. Talaga. I'm so grateful for you and for what you're doing. If I haven't met you, I probably don't know about this. So, yeah. So, yes.
I believe it's the start of something, no? Kasi the first person that asked me to help him with this live stream, his name is Birdie Reyes. He's the son of Alice Reyes who started the Aliw Awards. And now he's doing his weekly show. He
Oh
never
my.
stopped. It started sa pandemic until now he's doing a weekly show and he's happy with it. He has guests, So I believe in the future you don't need me anymore. You'll have more, you have your own you know how to do it or you have other people to help you do it. And then you're like big time na sa show mo. Baka David sometime naman. So parang you're happy. Kasi I'm just helping you start something. No? And I believe na you'll get the hang of it. Like you got the hang of suddenly naging queen ka na, di ba? And then naging queen ka na naman sa isa. And then naging you're so you're a fast learner. I think that's what your gift is. You can learn things fast and you can execute them fast.
Thank you. Yeah.
Kasi some people say a lot of words but there's no action, no?
Yes.
So I think you are kung politics lang to, sabihin ko may gawa si may gawa si Mrs. Grand, hindi siya puro salita, no? Pero with what you're doing, pwede mo sabihin, mumulitik ka yan. Pero you're not naman running for anything. You just really want to give, no? So I really see na yung ginagawa mo is wala kang ulterior motive na kasi gusto mo lang sumikat or gusto mo lang yumaman or gusto mo lang maging senator or what. Kasi di ba normal sa Philippines na kaya nagbibigay yan sa mahirap kasi nagkakandidato, di ba? Pero they cannot say that about you. No? Kasi hindi ka naman, wala ka naman plano mo, di ba?
Yeah. Ako, ang prayers ko, I have to be honest, hindi ako religyoso, pero I believe in Him, and then ang prayers ko is God will bless me kasi para I can bless more. Parang ganun ako eh. Kasi kahit wala nang matira sa akin, hindi ko matiis yung ibang tao na talagang lumalapit. So,
sabi nila yan ang parang that's how a river works. Kasi pag hindi ka nagbibigay, you'll be a dead sea, no? So whenever you give, na-refill ka lagi. Experience mo yun, no? The more you give, the more you receive, no? So I think this is a good epilogue to our first episode. Salamat sa lahat ng nanood. Please share the stream. We'll give you more details on how to join the next events of Miss Estela. Anyway, by the way, hindi pa po natapos. 2 questions na lang pala. Since gawin na nating parang recap. For 2024, what are you grateful for? Parang question na sa finals mo. For 2024, what are you grateful for? And for 2025, what are your plans and your dreams?
Thank you.
Question ko sa Miss Universe. Miss Grand Elite.
So in 2024, I am grateful for my family. Number one is my family. And then I am grateful that I'm going to be a grandma again. So I'm gonna have 5 grandkids. That is awesome. I want my kids to have a lot of kids. And then I am grateful that my husband has 5 bypasses, open heart surgery 2 years ago, and I am grateful that he's getting better, and I'm hoping that in 2025 he will just really fully recover. And I'm grateful for my friends. I have so many friends that is very, very loyal. I have friends that would support me no matter what. I'm grateful for my sisters, and I'm grateful for you, David. That
Thank you.
I met you, and for 2025, I have to manifest that things will be better, and my nonprofit organization will be more successful and could help more people, more kids, more women, or anybody, not necessarily women or children, but everyone. Good health for my family, and my 2 daughters will have a baby next year, so that's a really grand blessings. And I can't wait to go back to Mrs. Grant International next year. And I think I've said everything.
Yes. So thank you so much, guys, for joining our first pilot episode for our series with our Queen Grand International Estela, who is a Filipina with a heart of physical. She's a real Filipina representing the U.S. PhilAm, and she has a heart to help others, not just the Filipinos, not just the multicultural events, but she wants to help everyone she can. Grabe, no? I mean, grandma with her own problems in the house, yet she still thinks of others. Tayo nga na mga ibang tao dito, we always think of our own needs. Pero if you look at her, she has her own needs, she has her own problems. Pero how come she still wants to help others? Sana lahat ng mga tao sa Philippines, lalo na yung mga leaders natin sa bayan, maging katulad ng isang Estela Fuller. Ito si Estela, sana gayahin ninyo ang kanyang puso, ang kanyang ganda, hindi lang sa pagmumukha niya, sa physical appearance, pero sa puso't diwa ng ating Mrs. Grand International, Estela, and please join her advocacy and copy the heart she has for others. So please follow her pages na rin. and continue to support our newly crowned queen, Miss Estella.
Thank you.